Hey guys, welcome to a very special episode of I Ate the Whole Thing. Today we'll be smoking I'll show you the process how to smoke ribs. We're gonna start by putting some apple wood chips right into this little thing right here, and then we'll put it in there so it starts burning. I'm gonna fill it up to the top. I want to get that really smoky taste. Hell yeah. Put the little container right on top. Put it right in here. Boom. This is the little water pan right here, so I just put like a little water in there. Close it down. It takes about 1 hour for the wood chips to get nice and hot and start spewing smoke. And then these are just plain old spare ribs. So I have the seasonings right here. I got salt, I got pepper, I got cumin, because I love cumin, onion powder, and then I got minced garlic right in here with olive oil and black pepper. What I like to do, I always just put one glove on and then keep one free hand. I already took the membrane off of the back of the ribs. What you do is just pull the adult knife and then you kind of just lift this little membrane in the back of the ribs. I'll strip it right off. Some people leave it on, some people take it off. I took it off just to make easier when eating. The salt. You have to be careful what type of salt you use because sometimes the salt is too much. Yeah, you don't want salty ribs. Rub it a little bit down. Take the black pepper. Cumin. I would love to learn like the actual history behind seasoning and how like it was discovered. Like if it was a guy out in the fields of I don't know where cumin was discovered, but like the guy was just walking by and he saw it, was like, man, that looks like a nice plant. I wonder what it tastes like. You know what some people like to do is they put all the seasonings into like one little bucket and then apply the whole thing. But it's a Sunday morning and I just woke up from a drunken stupor, so that's why I'm doing it this way, because I'm taking one step at a time, kind of like the way I take life, one step at a time. Onion powder right there in that fashion, and I'm putting like this. There you go, and then you kind of like rub it down. And lastly, cool, I got a baby spoon just to get the garlic from the little container. Just gonna apply it like this. So this minced garlic has olive oil as well as black pepper. All the garlic's just like sticking to the glove. So I'm gonna use this little spoon to put it back on the ribs. No, the one I seasoned, I had to split it in half because they were like so big for this little electric smoker. I'm out of energy. I mean, it is like 9 a.m. and I had a couple of beverages last night with my brother. I'm so down in energy. It's okay. It's all right. Hey guys, so we're about 1 hour into the smoke out. So we have the ribs in there. A little bit about charbroil smoker. It's electric, of course, so it has a cool app. So on the phone, it tells me how long it's going for, and I put it at 250, and I had it set for 7 hours. So around 2 in the afternoon, I'll check, see how it's going, but it smells good. I'm gonna show you. Oh, you see that? You guys see the smoke? My poor dog, we were hanging out yesterday. I went to visit my brother and he was running in the backyard. Today he's like beat. He's not even eating. Poor dog. Here, I'll show you guys. Picasso. Yeah, he's just like, whatever. Leave me alone. Yeah, so the ribs right in there. You can see the smoke's coming out. I'll check in the ribs in a little bit, see how they're doing, and stay tuned. Alright guys, so for the last 3 hours, wrap the ribs in aluminum foil to keep in that moisture so you get a nice juicy rib, and that way it cooks internally, because I like them a little well done, if you know what I mean. Hey guys, welcome back. You remember her from Awesome Lasagna episode back in March? Stephanie, thank you so much for being here again, stopping by, saying hi.
Happy to be here.
Oh, thank you so much.
I'm a vegetarian, so I'm just gonna witness.
That's right. Woohoo! Nice. Look at that. That looks really good. Looks really juicy. Here goes the bite.
This is a tasty rib.
Wow, it's good. I like it. Well, it's Sunday afternoon, so we'll share it with the family. Nice. So how are you, Stephanie? How are you feeling?
Happy that things are starting to open up.
Oh, I know, right?
The last time we filmed was right before everything shut down.
Ages
So
ago.
today's the first time we've seen each other
That's right, in 3 months.
in 3 months.
Wow, sorry,
It's good.
I know, I feel it looks like I'm crying, like there's a tear coming down my eye, but it's actually sweat.
What do you guys think of Oscar's hair?
Oh, thank you.
It looks good.
Yeah. I look like the one guy from Mad Men. The guy that nobody likes.
The city's flat and ugly, and the air is brown. I love the vibrations.
You know what? For the first time this week, I don't think I'll be able to finish it. Ah, here comes another bite. Another big bite. Oh, wow.
So Oscar, what have you learned in quarantine?
Italian. I've been, I'm on 45 days with Duolingo. Yeah, learning words.
So what have you learned?
Oh no, the girl has an apple. La ragazza ha una mela. Oh, hell yeah. You guys, you want the bone?
I think that was a yes.
Yeah? Do you want the bone? I'm gonna throw him a bone. That's not funny. All right, go back, go out there. There we go. Ladies and gentlemen, I ate the whole thing. Well, the one rib, I'm not, this is for sharing. Way too much food. Hell yeah, thank you so much. So, please remember to subscribe, tell your grandma about it, because I'm sure your grandma probably likes ribs. Share, like, comment, and yeah, I'll see you guys next week. Peace. Very lonely.